Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the realm of cutting-edge automotive technology with the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota RAV4. Before watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe and support the channel. The 2025 RAV4 Prime is the plug-in hybrid version of Toyota's popular small crossover SUV. It features a larger battery than the RAV4 Hybrid and allows you to drive about 42 miles using electric-only power. After the power battery runs out, the Prime switches over to driving like a regular gas-powered hybrid vehicle. For those with short commutes and the ability to frequently charge up the battery, the RAV4 Prime can make a lot of sense. For 2025, it's possible the RAV4 will receive a redesign, but so far, Toyota has been pretty tight-lipped. When the RAV4 Prime arrived in 2021, Toyota made a big deal about its power and acceleration. With 302 horsepower and an estimated 0 to 60 mph time of only 5.7 seconds, it was the quickest vehicle in Toyota's stable aside from the GR Supra Sport Coupe. While there's something to be said for confident acceleration, it's only a part of the performance recipe, and the RAV4 Prime tends to come up short elsewhere. Handling is the biggest drawback, with noticeable body roll in moderate cornering and overly sensitive driver aids that tend to diminish confidence and sure-footedness. You can read our test team's expert rating below for more information.